Manilkara zapota, commonly known as sapodilla, sapote, naseberry, nispero, or chicle, is a long-lived, evergreen tree native to southern Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. An example natural occurrence is in coastal Yucatán in the Petenes mangroves ecoregion, where it is a subdominant plant species. What is the benefit of Chiku fruit? Chiku contains a high dose of antioxidants and has been found to be effective in lowering the risk of different types of cancers. It contains a healthy level of vitamins A and B, which help in the maintenance of the several mucus linings in the body. This can in turn help to reduce the risk of lung and oral cancers. Is Chiku hot or cold? Sapodilla or sapota, Chiku, is a popular tropical winter fruit relished for its sweet flavor and indispensable medicinal properties and therapeutic benefits. It comprises of soft, easily digestible pulp made up of natural sugars that are in line with mango, banana, and jackfruit. What are the disadvantages of Chiku? Is Chiku good for diabetes? Is Chiku good for diabetes? No, Chiku is not good for diabetic patients. Chiku has a very high glycemic index that disturbs the blood sugar levels in the body. Such fruits are best avoided or consumed in limited quantities. What happens if we eat Chiku daily? It keeps your immunity strong, skin in good condition, kills free radicals, prevents heart disorders, etc. The natural fructose and sucrose content in sapota can give your body a lot of energy. So if you have a busy day ahead, grab a sapota before you leave home for an energy boost.